Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Imperishable Brahman, Chapter 8, Shloka 24. Fire, light, daytime, the bright fortnight, the 6 months of the northern solstice. Following this path, men who know Brahman go to Brahman.
Chapter 8, Shloka 24. Agnir ahas shuklaha shanmasa uttarayanam tatra prayata gacchanti brahma vidho janaha.
Chapter 8, Shloka 24. The path pursued by those who have no return is explained. From Brahman, which is one, a world of multiplicity arose. The Creator Himself became the sun and the moon, which represent energy and matter respectively. The seekers of Brahman do the rituals and meditations to finally reach Brahman. To enjoy the fruits of their persuasions, they follow the path of the gods, and entering through the sun, they reach Brahma Lok to enjoy super sensuous bliss till the end of the creation, and then along with the Creator, they get total liberation. This is called gradual liberation, Krama Mukti. The path of the gods, which is presided by the sun, is indicated by the terms fire, flame, daytime, the bright fortnight, the 6 months of the northern solstice of the sun. This path pursued by those who are great devotees of Brahman stretches towards the north. As you think, so you become. Because the seeker has been identifying with the core in himself in the present life, at the time of departure from the world, comes to think of the object of contemplation of his whole life, and leaving the present embodiment, takes the ascending path of evolution, the path of the gods, indicated earlier, the northern route or the path of gradual liberation. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. Online. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.